In this video, I'll show you how to delete a project in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And below work, you want to choose the exact project wherein you want to delete. What you can also do is head over to the top and click on the second option, which is projects. And that will be a clearer view of all of the projects that you have. Now, from here, let's say I want to delete the duplicate of my first project. So just simply click on the project. Once you click on the project, head over to the top. On the left-hand side, you want to click on the drop-down beside the title. And once you click on the drop-down at the very bottom, you will find an option to delete the project. So from here, click on delete project. A pop-up will show in here, and from here, it will just ask you if you are sure, since it will delete the project along with any unassigned tasks, custom fields, rules, task templates, and read-only links. If you are sure, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on delete. And once you do that, at the bottom and the left corner, you will also have an option to undo the delete process if you don't want to actually delete it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.